Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Kindness is contagious. We have already done the explanation of the topic that kindness is something when you are being kind, that you are having kindness, and contagious is when you can get from others. Basically, contagious word is used for diseases, but over here it is something that you can get from others. A smile, kindness. That these all things are contagious. It's from Workbook, Unit 4, page number 40 to 42. Introductory paragraph. When the time comes to say goodbye to friends at school, we often give them gifts that will remind them of our friendships. Obviously, when you are being friend, even after metric class, most probably you will be thinking of giving gifts to your friends that will be staying with them for a very long time, and then you will be remembering each other. But if we happen to be poor, if we are not rich and we are not affordable, we cannot buy the gifts, then what? And do not have the money to buy goodbye gifts, then what? Let's see what the story has to say. When I was through with my doctor's appointment, when I had my doctor's appointment done, I have met my doctor. I made my way down to the lobby. I came down to the lobby. My mom was going to pick me up. My mom was about to come and pick me up, but knowing how she was always late, I realized that I had some time to spare. I had some time to save. I have some time to spend. Okay? So I took a seat in the lobby. I sat down over there and smiled politely at the three elderly old people sitting near me. Three old people were sitting near me, and I just smiled politely to them while I was sitting there. There were two old women, and an old man. Then I dug into my backpack. Backpack means the bag she was having for my library book. Okay, and she took out her library book. Dug is the past tense of dig. So digging means finding or searching. Soon one of the women and old men left the place. Now there was just me and the beautiful grey haired woman in the lobby. Now another old woman was still sitting. One couple has left. Okay, so next, what happened? Paragraph 3. I looked directly at her. She appeared dignified, respectable, serious, and stern. Stern means strict. I thought she might be a previous English teacher because she impressed me as a person with knowledge and confidence. She gave me one impression that she is a person with a lot of knowledge and a lot of confidence. She intentionally avoided my direct glance. She was not looking at me, and she was feeling that I was looking at her, she still did not look at me. Avoided intentionally means deliberately, janbujhkar, avoided my direct glance, direct gaze, direct look. But as I lifted my book to read, I could feel her eyes carefully gazing in my direction. When I started reading the book, I felt that she has been looking at me. Concentrated on the book was impossible. Concentrating on the book means she was reading the book, but keeping her mind on the book was difficult. My thought kept shifting from the beautiful grey haired woman to the thoughts of school. What happened that she was constantly thinking about the old woman who was sitting beside her, and she was also thinking about the school. Everyone was talking of graduation. The other kids have been discussing what presents to buy for each other. My face turned red at the thought. Everyone was talking about the gifts they are going to buy for each other, and I was like constantly feeling embarrassed about it because it had never occurred to me that kids brought present for graduation. In our home, relatives bought the graduate present. I had no money. Up till now, because right now she's not having any money, and she couldn't ask her parents, they hadn't any money either. Yet I long to be able to share. I would love to. Long means would love to, wish to, with my best friends, something that would help them remember our friendships, even if it was just something small. It could be a little small brooch, it could be a little pin, anything, a keychain, anything. But she would like to give this to the persons around her, to the friends that she had. But obviously, she could not. She was not affordable. Now she prayed, I prayed, oh God, help, what am I going to do? And this is how the first part ends.